Pokémon TCG Pocket will launch worldwide on October 30th, but it went into soft launch in New Zealand in September 26th. So today's video will show you how to download and play Pokémon TCG Pocket on your phone right now. The steps for iOS and Android devices are a bit different, but the first step is to create a new Apple ID or Google account set in New Zealand. For example, on an iPhone, create a new Apple ID based in New Zealand, then open the App Store, search for Pokémon TCG Pocket, and download it. For Android, if your Google account isn't set to New Zealand, create a new one based there. If your account has no region set, switch your VPN to New Zealand. Then open the Google Play Store, search for PTCGP, and download it. It's easy to install on your phone. After downloading it, you must have a VPN app to start and connect the game, or the game will be failed to connect. For playing Pokémon TCG Pocket, the best free VPN is X-VPN. It not only offers a 7-day free trial of the premium version, but also provides a dedicated line for Pokémon TCG players. We've put the download link in the video description. Open X-VPN and sign into your account, then click Servers. Click Video and Games. As I said before, you can see here is a dedicated server for Pokémon TCG Pocket. Click it. In just a few seconds, the VPN will connect successfully. Open Pokémon app. Here please note that you must maintain a VPN connection when opening the app, because when you open up the app, the game will detect your country or region. Keep your VPN connected in New Zealand until you have created your game account and signed into it successfully. After entering and starting playing, you can just turn off the VPN and continue playing it with no issue. If this video helped you got the game, please dropping a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.